Welcome. We're looking at the Kitstar application's main menu, and this session is regarding updates. Stepping back to the admin section. And the updates are received in the form of a zip file. You would go to your client's HTML special page, and you would download three files. One is the exe, and another is a data and the program file. If you're running FileMaker license, you will download just the data and the program file. The exe is the compiled FileMaker files, creating a single runtime user application. If I click on the black button, I just know that I can get down to the bottom and click on this red button right here to back up and restore. Screens divided up to the top is for setting up your FTP server. If that was the case, it's slower than copying your files to a Dropbox. And I chose Dropbox, and that it's located on your hard drive. In my case, go to Rod, and there would be Dropbox right there. It's like a hard drive location, quickly copies, and that at a remote location you could also have the same Dropbox and view the same files, and that is a convenient way. Setting up for a download update, and here's where we choose to use 3 or the 2 file format. We're always sort of backing up a little bit more often, and you can. They're date coded, time sensitive files. And we answer guest here. Continue. And that is a backup, okay? And in our case, what we're going to do is do an update. So click up here, and we have our update. I'm going to stay at where I'm at right now and show you around. There's a cloud format and the FTP. We would recommend the cloud. But since we're doing a Mastar update at this particular time, I have copied to the Kitstar download directory, and if I click down here and see my update directory and show that, I have those 3 files, a data, an exe, and a star zip files, okay, and a help file for you. Canceling out of there, I continue the process to do an update. Once you've copied those files there, then we click that button. This explains that we've copied that file, unzipped it, stored it as a certain name, and it's now in our root directory. So the next step, what we would do is we would go to the DOS and we would run a DOS file. Let's go look in the root directory where all the files are, but I'm only showing you the ones we want to look at. I have now up here the Kitstar underscored starting character, the 3 new files that we're going to use. In addition, the program file and the data file, and this is the file that we're going to want to go find and run. Go find and click this file located on applications root directory. Now what does that do? Right now we're running your current application of the Kitstar application. The 3 files I sent to you replace the current 3 files that you're running. Well, if I copy the 3 files over the 3 files, I would overwrite and erase your data. Why we do backups. What we're going to do with that bat file is going to do a flop, and it's going to put the new files in place, and it's going to put the data and other files named as old. And then we're going to come back to this screen and click update. In the update process, when we're running this program, we'll be using test data. So when you start the new application version, you will see different data, not your data. Come back to this screen and click the update process, go, and it will quickly append the data that you were currently using into the new version. That's it. Just do it. Click on this. I did it once already. I'll do it again. It's okay. We're going to exit the program. Locate it. In this case, way out here, under this directory, this is the root directory where we would see some additional files and files that we were looking at. Were these underscore files, the data file, the program file, the shortcut, and here's the application we want to run. That's it. Now all we have to do is go back and execute that application here. Passwords. Back to the admin section. And then the next thing I told you we need to do is click go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something up here in this field, test something, for lack of words. So when I do the update, I'm going to delete all this data and replace it with the current data, so this field will disappear. Click on continue, OK. That's it. I'm in the admin section. Go back to where I was. Click the black line, gets me to the bottom. The cyan gets me to the top. And you can see that I've changed the data in this field. And I've updated the system. And that's an update process. And the last thing we would probably do is just clear all the extra files and backup files that we have done over and over again, accumulating space and doing a backup at the final end for you. And don't forget to back up. Click guest again. It's a free little module that we use to do an FTP, a few other commands. And of course we could purchase it too. And it's good for 2 hours. And then you have the option to maybe do a cloud. Well, the neat thing about the cloud, and basically it's copy everything to a cloud box that you set up, and then come into the application, maybe from a remote location, click one button, bring back that the previous operator copied to the cloud box. And then we don't have to exit to DOS to run that bat file. All we have to do is click the go, and that will take the copied data and import it into the current application we're running, and we're not looking for an update in structures. So look around and let me know if there's anything I could do to help you out. Now, don't forget to click on things like this that you can roll over, things that roll over you want to investigate, okay, because those are hints.